Want to automate talking head videos like the one you're watching? Watch this video for a complete tutorial. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to walk through using make.com along with Captions.AI to automate talking head videos for your social media accounts. This new scenario, let's create a name for it. We'll just call it YouTube Captions head video. Okay. So in this, we can do whatever. What I'd probably do here is just do a chat GPT, do a create chat completion, just for purposes of generating content for our talking head. I always use 4 mini just because it's so cheap. Blank. I do not want this to come back as a JSON, so I'm just going to do this and expert content given topic talking head video about for social media. Ensure that output only a script is to be read and ensure that script under 700 characters. That's the limit. In fact, I was going to put 600 to ensure that we don't hit that 700. Okay. And then I'm going to add a user role. And topic is going to be automate social media with AI generated talking head videos using make.com. Okay. So what this is going to do then, it's going to generate us a response. Let's run this just so we see what our output looks like. There we go. But we have instructions in here. We've got everything, which we don't want. So I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to make sure that we come in here. We're going to go through and we're going to update our prompt. Characters. Not directions, scene, setup, etc. The only output the exact words that will be spoken. Okay, try it again. See what we got. Hey everyone, blah blah blah. Perfect. That's a nice little output right there. So the next thing we're going to have to do now is we're going to have to make a HTTP request to the API. The output is going to be, here we go, going to be a post request. Headers, we're going to have our typical headers, content type. It's going to be application JSON. And we're going to have an API key too, which I will come back and throw in here later. We are going to, the body type is going to be raw. Content type is going to be JSON. And we're going to put in your creator name. Mine is called Twin1. And then the script that we are going to have them read is going to be our result. Okay. I need to parse the response. Save. Okay. So now we're going to run it. runs. Oh, what do we get here? I know what I did. I didn't put in that. Didn't put in my API key because I said I was going to do it later. So I'll pause the video, put in my API key, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, now I'm back. Save the API key. Let's try it again. Yeah, it looks like it's going to work this time. That is crucial. Make sure you get your API key and use your API key. Come in here and take a look at our output now. Operation ID is right here. Okay, perfect. So this honestly is probably all I would do for the initial. We can save that key somewhere. So if you want to pull that out, which we can see here is data. I guess we can come in here and go parse response, save, so that when it comes out, it'll actually have that listed. And then we can put it somewhere else to push it through. But just to show you how the rest of this is going to work, let's save that key. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add another HTTP module. We're going to make another request. I just connected anyway, so we can do that. We're going to go post again, add our headers. Hit type. It's going to be application JSON as usual. API key, which I'm going to put in later again. Hope I don't forget this time. And then we're also going to have to add another header piece, which is going to be the operation ID. And this is going to be what we're going to pull from here. So we'll have to run this again to show that. Pull that, which is fine. And that's all we're going to have to do there. So we'll parse that response too, okay? All right, so it did it that time. Save. All right, so I'll just put the API key in. I saved it. I put the operation ID in that header field. So now let's just run this module. Come back, give us a 200. Here's what's going to respond. URL. It's going to tell us it made the video. So I'm just going to save this. Go over here. Open the video. Hey everyone. Today let's dive into how to automate your social media using AI-generated talking head videos with Make.com and Captions.AI. First, sign up for Make.com to create powerful workflows that connect your apps. Next, integrate Captions.AI to auto-generate captions for your videos, making them more accessible. Simply upload your video content, set your preferred automation triggers, and watch as it handles everything for you. With this setup, you can save time and enhance engagement easily. Start automating today and watch your social media soar. There you go. That's all you got to do. So what I would do then at this point, because it does take a while to make the video, you just, in this scenario, save that variable somewhere, like to a Google Sheet, something. And then once a day at a specific time, just so that you don't have to run as many operations, is run the make request to get it. And then you can post it to social media, run a filter, post it, do whatever you need to do. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Share this with your friends if you think they'd like it, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. Until next time, happy automating.